everybody. Today we are going to review some decimal division. So yesterday we learned the moving decimal rule for multiplication. Today we are going to divide. Whoops. So decimals are a little weird to get your head around because when we multiply, the answer actually gets smaller. Like when we did 4/10 times 2/10, our answer was 8/100. So we were asking ourselves, how much is 4/10 of 2/10? Or you could think of it as, how much is 4/10 of this pink space right here? Division actually makes your answer get bigger with decimals. So for example, if I did 4/10 divided by 2/10, my answer is 2. Because I'm asking myself, how many groups of 2/10 can we make with 4/10? Weird, right? But kind of cool. So, as you all remember, you can think of division as how many groups you can make. So if I do 30 divided by 5, I can take these 30 circles and I can start making groups of 5. And I see that I can make 6 groups of 5. So 30 divided by 5 equals 6, because I can make 6 groups with 5 pieces in each group. It works the same with decimals. So if I do 3/10 and I'm dividing it by 5/100, I'm making groups of 5/100. So I see that I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 5/100 each. So I took my 3/10 and I divided it into groups of 5/100, and I found out that there were 6 groups. You could do the same thing with money if that makes more sense to you. So if I have $3, I'm going to divide it into groups of 25 cents. So I know that there are 4 groups of 25 cents and $1, because I know that there are 100 cents in total. So that dollar had 4 groups of 25, that dollar had 4 groups of 25, and that dollar had 4 groups of 25. So when I have $3, that means I have 12 groups of 25 cents each. Or you could say that there are 12 quarters in $1. So $3 divided by 25 cents is 12. You could think of it as you have $3, and if you go around giving people 25 cents, you can give 25 cents to 12 different people. So you're dividing up your $3 into 25-cent groups. So today for homework, we're going to practice some division. I'll show you how to do the first one as an example, and then I'll let you try the rest on your own. So our first example is 5/10 divided by 1/10. So you can use your blocks, which is easier, but if you don't have your blocks yet, we have the web app. Is it already open? No, I have to open it. So I'm going to get my 5/10, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm dividing it into groups of 1/10 each. So that's pretty easy. I don't even have to break it up. I just know that this is a group because it's 1/10. This is a group, 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 and group. So altogether, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So my answer to the first problem, I would write 5. And for words, I filled it in for you. If I have 5/10, how many groups of 1/10 can I make? Then don't forget to take a screenshot of your work, or, I think my screenshot function just got weird. Take a screenshot of your work or take a photo of your blocks that you used. Remember to clean up your blocks afterwards and don't leave them sitting around, especially if you have a baby sibling. All right, so that is how you do the homework. Remember, you're just taking a group or a number of something and dividing it into groups. So there's 2 problems like that. And then there's 2 problems with money where you're going to tell us the answer and then write how you know. So don't forget to write how you know. That's the most important part. All right, let's get started.